Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to edit content in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your WordPress account and then go to your WordPress dashboard. After that, from the left menu bar, click on the WooCommerce tab. And now after clicking WooCommerce tab, the WooCommerce page will open. So here from the WooCommerce menu, click on the products button. Here you will find a list of all your existing products. So select a product to edit by clicking the edit button that appears beneath the product's name. So after hovering over the product and clicking the edit button, now here you can edit the product details like general information, the product name, description, SKU, and if it's the product data like its price, sale price, text settings, if there are images to add, remove, or change them, to adjust the stock quantity, enable or disable back out orders, to check if the shipping options and weight are properly configured. Also, you can add linked products, attributes, and other advanced uh, changes, details to be added. So make your edits and then click on the preview changes button to ensure that they look as intended on your website. After you are satisfied with your edits, click on the Save Changes button or the Update button to save your changes. Now your product details will be updated to your WooCommerce store. So visit your website to check if they are here correctly. So that's how you can edit content in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.